Money is everywhere. We use it, think about it, stress over it, and work hard to earn it. But here's the shocking truth. Your financial success has less to do with how smart you are and more to do with how you behave with money. That's exactly what The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is all about. Unlike traditional finance books that focus on investment strategies, stock market trends, or budgeting techniques, this book dives into the human side of money, our emotions, habits, and beliefs that shape financial decisions. Have you ever wondered why some people, despite earning millions, end up broke? Or why others, with modest salaries, retire wealthy? It's not about luck or intelligence, it's about mindset and behavior. In this video, I'll break down the most powerful lessons from this book so you can start thinking about money in a whole new way. Stick around because the insights in this book could change your financial future forever. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Money is more about behavior than intelligence. One of the biggest myths about wealth is that the smartest people make the most money. But Housel explains that intelligence plays a much smaller role in financial success than we think. Think about it. How many brilliant doctors, lawyers, or CEOs struggle with money? On the flip side, how many average earning people retire comfortably simply because they made smart financial choices? The truth is, managing money isn't about knowing fancy financial formulas. It's about patience, letting money grow over time. Discipline, not spending every dollar you earn. Consistency, making small, good choices for years. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He's one of the richest people on the planet. But did you know that 99% of his wealth came after his 50s? He didn't get rich from risky bets. He got rich by letting his investments compound over decades. Key takeaway: it's not about how much you know. It's about how you behave with money. Chapter 2. Luck versus Risk. The unseen forces behind success. Housel makes an eye-opening point. Success isn't just about skill, it's also about luck and risk. Think about Bill Gates. He was undeniably smart, but he also happened to attend one of the only high schools in the world with a computer in the 1970s. That gave him a huge early advantage. That's luck. Now imagine another entrepreneur, equally smart, equally hardworking, but they launched their business right before a major financial crisis. They lose everything. Was it their fault? That's risk. The lesson here is to be humble about success and kind toward failure. If you're doing well, don't assume it's just because you worked harder than everyone else. And if you're struggling, don't assume it's entirely your fault. Key takeaway: luck and risk play a bigger role in money than most people admit. Be grateful when things go right, and don't be too hard on yourself when they don't. Chapter 3. The Power of Compounding. The Eighth Wonder of the World. If there's one lesson you should take from this book, it's this. Compounding is magic. Here's a crazy fact. If Warren Buffett had started investing at 30 instead of 11, he would have a tiny fraction of his current wealth. What made him ultra-rich wasn't just great investments. It was starting early and staying in the game for over 80 years. Let's say you invest $1,000 at age 20 and never touch it again. At an 8% return by age 60, that single investment grows to $21,700. Now imagine if you invested $500 every month for 40 years. That's how real wealth is built. Key takeaway: compounding is the secret to financial success. Start investing early, be patient, and let time do the work. Chapter 4. Saving is more important than high income. Most people believe the key to getting rich is making more money, but Housel argues that how much you save is more important than how much you earn. Think about it. If you earn $500,000 a year but spend $500,000 a year, you're broke. But if you earn $50,000 a year and save 20% consistently, you're on your way to financial independence. Key takeaway: wealth isn't about your income. It's about your ability to save and invest wisely. Chapter 5. The ultimate goal of money is freedom. Housel makes a powerful argument. Money isn't about buying things, it's about buying freedom. Many people spend their whole lives chasing a bigger paycheck, a bigger house, or a fancier car. But what's the point of having millions if you're constantly stressed, overworked, and never see your family? True wealth is about controlling your time. It's about being able to say, I don't want to work today. I want to spend more time with my kids. I want to retire when I'm 50. Key takeaway: the real goal of wealth is freedom, not luxury. My personal opinion on the book. So, what's my verdict on the psychology of money? Honestly, this is one of the best financial books I've ever read. It's simple, relatable, and filled with powerful insights that anyone, no matter their income level, can use. I love how Housel avoids complicated jargon and focuses on real-life lessons. If you've ever struggled with money or want a fresh perspective on wealth, this book is a must-read. If I had to rate it, I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. It's eye-opening, practical, and will change the way you think about money forever. If you enjoyed this summary, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing book breakdowns. And tell me in the comments, what's the best money lesson you've ever learned? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.